Indian Chief Dark Horse 2025. vs Harley Davidson Street Glide 2025. Sound check the modern American muscle cruiser. The 2025 Indian Chief Dark Horse represents the raw, unfiltered spirit of American motorcycling, reborn for modern riders. With its blacked-out styling, minimalist approach, and aggressive stance, the Chief Dark Horse pays homage to the classic bobber while infusing it with cutting-edge technology. This model is designed for those who prefer their motorcycles with character, attitude, and just the right amount of modern edge. The 2025 Harley Davidson Street Glide continues its legacy as one of the most iconic American touring cruisers, now fully refreshed with a bold new design and a suite of advanced features. It's a motorcycle that balances long-distance comfort with unmistakable Harley style, refined, tech-savvy, and deeply rooted in touring heritage. Harley equips the 2025 Street Glide with the Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine, a 1,923 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin. It produces 130 pound-foot of torque and roughly 105 horsepower, offering smooth acceleration and plenty of passing power for highways and open roads. The new engine also benefits from improved thermal efficiency, helping it perform better in a variety of conditions. The 2025 Indian Chief Dark Horse. At the heart of the Chief Dark Horse lies Indian's powerful Thunderstroke 116 engine, a 1,890 cubic centimeters air-cooled V-twin that pumps out 120 pound-foot of torque. The bike's throttle response is immediate, with 3 selectable ride modes, Tour, Standard, Sport, that let you tailor the experience to the road ahead. Its engine delivers a satisfying, low-end grunt, ideal for city cruising and backroad blasts. The 2025 Street Glide comfort is at the heart of the Street Glide experience. The 28.5-inch seat height, wide saddle, and floorboards provide a relaxed posture for hours in the saddle. Weighing 866 pounds, it's heavier than the Chief, but the weight is well balanced. Air-ride suspension and upgraded braking systems contribute to a plush, composed ride, even when fully loaded with gear or a passenger. The 2025 Indian Chief Dark Horse, weighing in at approximately 714 pounds, the Chief Dark Horse is relatively light for a cruiser of its size, and its 26.2-inch seat height ensures flat-footed confidence at stops. The mid-mounted foot controls and upright bars provide a neutral, easy riding position, appealing to both seasoned riders and those newer to big V-twins. The 2025 Street Glide. The standout feature of the 2025 model is the new 12.3-inch TFT display, paired with Harley's Skyline OS. This touchscreen manages navigation, music, Bluetooth calls, and ride data with smartphone-like fluidity. The 200-watt audio system is loud and clear even at highway speeds, making it perfect for riders who enjoy tunes on the go. The 2025 Indian Chief Dark Horse. A key highlight is the 4-inch touchscreen powered by Ride Command, offering navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and trip data in a discrete circular gauge. It blends seamlessly with the stripped-down aesthetic, offering essential tech without clutter. USB charging, keyless ignition, and cruise control come standard, enhancing functionality. Harley Davidson also introduces enhanced rider safety features for 2025, including cornering ABS, cornering traction control, vehicle hold control, and customizable ride modes, road, sport, rain, custom. These features add a layer of confidence and control, especially for touring in varied conditions. The 2025 Indian Chief Dark Horse design-wise, Indian keeps things bold and muscular. The blacked-out finishes, wire wheels, and chunky tires contribute to the bike's stealthy silhouette. LED lighting all around gives a modern touch to the otherwise vintage-inspired styling. It looks especially aggressive in matte and satin colorways. Harley-Davidson stylistically, the 2025 Street Glide retains its signature bat-wing fairing, now redesigned for better aerodynamics. The LED lighting system and sleek bodywork give it a sharper, more modern profile. It's instantly recognizable, yet refreshed enough to feel new. The 2025 Indian Chief Dark Horse. From an ownership perspective, the Dark Horse is built with customization in mind. Indian offers a wide range of factory accessories, including saddlebags, mini-apes, and performance upgrades. Riders looking for a canvas to personalize will find this platform inviting. Priced at around $27,749, the Street Glide commands a premium, but it earns it with its comfort, safety, and tech package. For riders who spend long days on the road or value the prestige of Harley's touring lineup, it remains a benchmark cruiser in its class. With a starting MSRP around $22,499, the 2025 Chief Dark Horse offers a compelling combination of power, minimalist design, and modern tech, making it a standout choice for those who want tradition with a rebellious twist.